friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the CPU throttling test in the Realme 10 Pro Plus device first day after unboxing. So this is my day one of using the Realme 10 Pro Plus, which has got the Dimensity 1080 processor, as you can see here. So with the Dimensity 1080 processor we're going to do the CPU throttling test in this device. So this is the Realme 10 Pro Plus, which has got the pretty good curved display. And right now I'll try to disable this live wallpaper. So now let's do the CPU throttling test. And we'll try to find out what will be the overall graph we can actually expect in the Realme 10 Pro Plus device. So these are the 100 threads and 15 minutes of time I'm going to do the testing. And right now in the beginning the temperature is about 28 degrees Celsius. So now I started the test and I will be back after some time again to check the temperatures, what it can actually increase in the Realme 10 Pro Plus device. And we'll try to check the performance numbers also, how much high it can actually increase regarding the performance scores. So I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, after 10 minutes of time, this is how the temperature is exactly 33 degrees Celsius in the Realme 10 Pro Plus device. And you can see the performance numbers, it was able to maintain pretty stable performance, and the graph also looks kind of pretty stable. It did not decrease much while doing the CPU throttling test, as you can clearly see here from this example. And I will be back at the end of the CPU throttling test results, and then we can discuss more details. Overall, it looks kind of pretty stable regarding the performance wise. I didn't see any kind of major issue here, and I will be back after some time. So as you can see friends, finally this is the overall CPU throttling test results, and CPU throttle up to 91%, so which is really very good. As you can see, overall the performance graphs, so pretty good, and the performance numbers also did maintain pretty stable, and temperature did increase highest close to 34 and 35. So that's all friends, we got information about the CPU throttling test results in this device on the day one after unboxing. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.